I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will be doing a makeup tutorial. So as always, I am going to start off with priming my face. I am using the Nyx Marshmallow Primer. So this is a primer that I've been using for a while now, and I've honestly really liked it. If you haven't already seen my review on this primer, go back and check that out because I talk a little bit more about the benefits of it and why I enjoy using it.
Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. Bitch, she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love.
Next, we are going to be applying our foundation. Normally, I would start with my eyes, but for this look, I'm actually not putting any eyeshadow on. I didn't really have time, and I just want to go for a more natural look, so no eyeshadow for today. So I am using the I Am Magic foundation by Juvia's Place. I believe this is in the shade 310. It will be in the description box down below though. Next, using the Morphe concealer, I am going to be using this to highlight the parts of my face that I want to appear a little bit more lighter. When concealing, you want to use a dabbing motion and not a rubbing motion. Now, before I do my contour, I am using some blush. This is the Milani Merlot Moment. I just got this blush recently, and honestly, I've used it a couple times and I really do like the color. I didn't go very heavy with the blush for this look because I was going for a natural look, so I didn't want to put on too much. Also, since this is a new product for me, I really just wanted to test it out and see like how much is too much or how little of it I can use and still get a nice color. Now going into contour my face, I am using the concealer from Sephora in the shade Devil's Food. So I am applying it just a little beneath where I applied the blush. I'm also going to be contouring my nose. So I'm going really light-handed. Once again, with concealer, you want to use a dabbing motion and not really a rubbing motion. So I'm like really pressing it into my skin and blending it out. Tru-Blend translucent powder to set my makeup. So I'm going to be applying this to under my eye and along my cheeks to help set the under eye concealer and the blush. I also am going to be applying this to my forehead because I do tend to get very oily in my T-zone. So I also want to set my forehead so it prevents the oils from coming through as much. The Milani highlighter in the shade Dolce Perla. As you guys know, if you watch my other video, this is one of my favorite highlighter at the moment to highlight my face. I'm applying this along my cheeks. I'm also going to use some on my nose and my forehead.
I just want you to focus, pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis, blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless, on repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress, looks so good, damn you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus.
Lastly, I am using the NYX This Is Juice lip gloss, and this lip gloss is actually infused with electrolyte and it's in the shade Strawberry. Off camera, I did use my NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Dark Brown to line my lips, and I applied some mascara to my lashes, which was the Marc Jacobs mascara in Jet Black. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I want to thank you all so much for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. Thank you. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye.
Focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my